What's up, guys? So there's a company called the Useless Duck Company, which, whenever a baby's done drinking their breast milk, you have to pat them on the back or burp them, whatever you want to call it. So basically, this company made a machine that does it for you. Just take a look at this awesome machine right here.
Place them in with an arm going over each side. Now that the baby is in the correct position, just open up the app and tap the Burp Baby button.
Well, that was fucking incredible, guys. I have never seen a machine do such incredible and useful stuff to humanity. These babies now know what's coming for them. Pun intended. And Alright, well, other than that, guys, thank you all so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Peace out.